Yo, what's up, guys? We just had a good night's sleep, and it's time for some breakfast. Yo, Bakari, what should I make?
What the fuck, man? What's going on, man? Shit.
Mamma mia!
Mamma mia!
So you know what it is, guys? It's very important to get a good, nutritious meal in the morning. You know what it is, man? And yeah, let's see what we got in the kitchen.
Hey, man, we're going down and shit. What the fuck? Damn, that nigga jumped. You see that jump?
So let's see. We're in the kitchen here, man. You know what it is? Let's check the fridge.
Hey, man, that's my thing, man. I check the fridge.
We got.
Wait, you got some blueberry soup? Iced tea, man.
You got milk. Fuck me,
nigga, what?
Crab salad.
Hey, man, that's pretty
today,
good. That's some
not
dope
today.
shit right there, man.
Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. What do we got? Bakari, you have any ideas, man?
Hey, man, maybe something that's like, you know, maybe some meat or some shit.
Oh shit, dude! Look what we got.
Damn,
Leftover
nigga.
wiener dog,
Yeah.
man. Yo, all right, guys. So I'm gonna teach you guys to make like a really, really nice hot dog in the morning. Very good breakfast. Very good meals.
Yeah,
you know
man.
what it is. So the first thing you do, right? You get a plate.
Plate, niggas.
Bam.
Fuck bowls, nigga.
Get in your pan with the wieners in it. Very important. Bam. Now what you do is you actually fuck up and you actually put the pan back on the stove because the wieners are cold because, you know, they're left over, so like they're not hot. So what you do is you do wow, and now the shit goes like tick and then like tick, 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 tick. Fire, guys, be careful, alright? Fire. We're professionals in this kitchen, so you know, while we
Hey, man, have your mom around if you're doing
the wiener
this
dogs
shit.
cook up, you know, you see like the fire, like in the pan, and we got the wiener dogs, you know, like you know. Let's just Bakari, tell them a joke, man.
Okay.
So this is the secret recipe, right? You got your wieners in the stove, boom, out, and shit, and get your friend or do it yourself. You look like a fucking idiot if you do it though by yourself, but get a friend. Tell a joke. Once the joke is over, that's when you know your wiener dogs are perfect, right? Bakari.
Is you?
They just want to hang around the area where work is being done. That's what men want to do. We want to watch the guy. We want to talk to him. We want to ask him some questions, you know. How do you do, Phil? Shall we feel involved? That's why when
That was a good one. Alright, so since the joke is done, the wieners are almost done, right? So when they're not done yet, when the joke was too short or the story was too short, right? What you just do is you actually prepare everything else, right? So we're making wiener dogs, hot dogs, shit. So bread, very important, right? How the fuck you gonna make a hot dog without bread, guys?
Yeah, man, come on now.
Get your bread, very nice, brown bread, grains, wheats, everything.
Bruh, stay
You can't go
nutritious.
wrong, right, Bakari?
You can't go wrong. You can't go wrong, man. You can't go wrong.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
So you get your boom, bow, take them out. Brown, we're going for two sandwiches.
Two
or
sandwiches,
two hot dogs.
nigga.
Bow. See that? 1, 2, bow.
He can count.
Then, you see these bitches? They're like, oh!
That shit hot.
That's when you know they're done.
Yeah, man, they
So,
screaming
turn
in
it off,
agony, man.
And then just get a fork because the hot dogs are hot as fuck and you don't want to just touch them, you know? So you get a fork.
Hey, man, as I
And,
said earlier, having mama around, man,
your
you
plate
don't want
of
to get hurt, man.
Put
Shit.
them wow. Now what you do, very, very, very important techniques here. So, see this? So you get one. And then very carefully put them on this shit.
Woo!
Wow. So we're going for 2 wieners per bread. So we're gonna get another one.
That shit crazy, man.
Wow. Okay. Now we have something like this, right? Shit. Now we have something like this. So what you do is you wrap around.
Hey, man, like a tortilla.
And you eat it. Like this is how it should look like, right? The wieners, boom, in there. They're chilling.
Hey, man, if you do this wrong, you're
Now
fucking
you do the same
idiot.
thing with the other sandwich. Or wieners. Bam! This is what we have, guys.
Yeah, man.
Very nice.
Hey.
Very consistent.
Hey.
Very, very well made.
What else?
In the bitch.
In the
You know
bitch.
what it is, guys. Let's have a taste.
Let's have a taste, nigga. Hey, man, can I have some, man? Hey, man, come on. Don't be greedy, man. Let me have some, man.
Mamma mia, guys. Mamma motherfucking mia.
Come on, bro.
I'm telling you. Bakari? Here.
Alright, thanks.